Hey, what's up? Hello, Cali Mely here. I am a 31-year-old mom who enjoys fitness, health, wellness, beauty, and everything in between. I post videos every single Friday at 11 a.m. I also have a 1-year-old son, so if you would like to see videos along those topics, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I am going to be reviewing Madluvu's Laminate Brow Gel. I did a video a couple of months ago on their stamp brows, which I absolutely fell in love with. They saw the video and wanted me to review their newest product, which I am going to be reviewing in today's video. So if you would like to see that, then please keep watching. I'm going to speed through the brow stamp process because I do have a video on that. So if you would like to see the full video on how I stamp on my eyebrows, what products I use, and the technique I use, then I will leave a description of that here so that you can jump into that video. If you have been following me for at least a month now, you know that I reviewed Madluvu's brow stamp. It was absolutely amazing and a game changer for me. I am someone who always struggles with getting my brows to look their best. I like the fuller look of the eyebrows, and some days I just don't even know what I was thinking when I walked out of the house. One would be completely arched, the other one would not be. I found that this brow stamp has really helped me change the look and shape of my face. My face looks more elongated now. I just really think that this stamp has really helped make that happen. After reviewing that brow stamp, Madluvv reached out to me and said that they would love to send me a new product for me to review called the Laminate Brow Gel. I didn't know what to think about it because I'm someone who gets my eyebrows laminated every 5 weeks or so. If you are unfamiliar with what getting your brows laminated means, it just basically means that your eyebrows go a certain direction and you are just basically getting them so they are pushed up, so they stick straight up. Why people like doing that, and especially me, is because it makes your eyebrows look more fuller. It makes them look thicker and just more natural, more naturally thick, which I am very, very into, as you know. What I found after getting my eyebrows laminated is after 3 weeks, I would notice that they weren't just staying up as much as I would like them to. And so rather than paying for my brows to get laminated sooner, this gel is really the complement to making sure that my brows look laminated the entire 5 weeks. I was very, very impressed with the way that the gel was so stiff that it held everything together. There's multiple ways that you can use this. If you're someone like me and has extremely light brows, I like to put the stamp on, and then I like to use that gel to kind of seal everything in. If you are someone who has naturally thicker eyebrows, you are very blessed, first of all. But second of all, this could be used just alone to help your brows give that laminate more thicker fill. Or if you want to just use it the regular way, then it could just really hold those brows together. I know a lot of women who have their brows and they look decent in the morning, and then throughout the day they just kind of fall or they're just not there. This brow gel is so thick of a formula, and it's not overwhelmingly thick, but it's thick enough to where it can really change the direction of your eyebrows without having that lamination to your eyebrows done. As you can see, I really do enjoy the brow laminate just as much as I did to the brow stamp that Madluvv made. I already do get my eyebrows laminated. I get them every 5 weeks or so. That's how long they last. And if you are unfamiliar with getting your eyebrows laminated, you basically just go into a salon and they flip eyebrows the opposite way, so they flip upward. It really makes your eyebrows look a lot bushier. It makes them look full and just thicker in general. I just love the way that it looks. I love the thicker eyebrow look. I think it elongates my face and just makes me look a lot more youthful. If you enjoyed the content that you saw today, please subscribe to my channel, and until next time.